Nitish again from imnk.com. In this section, we are going to create a free logo for your website. To do this, go to Google and search Namecheap Free Logo Maker. Click on the first link that you see with the title Free Logo Maker from Namecheap. Once the page opens, click Create Free Logos button and then enter your company name or personal name. As we are building my CV page, I am going to enter my name as Nitish Krishna. Enter the type of business only if you make the logo for your business. I will leave it blank and continue. Now choose a style that you like. Bolder fonts are preferred and you will be asked to do this several times. Now pick a favorite color. In the next page, add a slogan if you wish. I'll skip this. Now, you'll be asked to choose 3 icons. You may enter your choice in the search window and select 3 icons that you like. And click Continue. Now, you will be able to see various combinations for your logo. Go through everything and choose the best one. You may restart again if you wish to create fresh logos. For this theme, we need a logo with an icon on the left side. So I will choose this one. Now click Download at the bottom left side of the screen. Your files will be downloaded as a zip file. Now go to the Downloads folder and extract the file like I do. Once the zip is extracted, you'll see a folder with all the images. A little editing is required before we can actually use this logo. To do this, we are going to open the file named Cover in Paint 3D application. Right-click on the file and select Edit with Paint 3D. This is a default Windows application, so you don't need any special software. Once it opens, click Canvas on the top bar and ensure that Transparent Canvas is turned on, Lock Aspect Ratio and Resize Image with Canvas are checked. Now, click on Crop and select the framing as 1:1 ratio on the right side. You'll see a square box like you see here. Now change the logo width and height so the logo fits tightly. First check 512 x 512 pixels and adjust the crop window to see how it fits. As I see some empty space here, I am going to change this to 350 x 350 pixels and center the crop window. Now it looks better. Click Done on the right side and save the image as I do. Ensure you click Save As to avoid overwriting. Now enter the file name as Favicon and ensure the file type is selected as PNG and click Save. Now close Paint 3D and click Don't Save. Go back to the same logo file named Cover and click Edit with Paint 3D once again. Ensure Transparent Canvas is on, Lock Aspect Ratio and Resize Image with Canvas are checked. Now click Crop and remove the empty area as much as possible like I do. Once it is completed, click Menu and click Save As and give the file name as Logo with the file type selected as PNG. Exit Paint 3D app and click Don't Save. That is all for this video tutorial. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more such exciting videos.